next logic gate, that is NAND logic gate. So NAND logic gate is the opposite of AND logic gate. NAND equal to AND plus NOT, or the complemented form of AND gate is known as the NAND logic gate. In AND logic gate, we have seen that the output is at high level when all the inputs are high. But in NAND gate, we will see that the output is low when all the inputs are high. Means it is just the opposite. Okay. For output should be high, at least one input should be at level 0. And this is the symbol of NAND logic gate with a bubbled AND. And the expression of NAND gate says y equal to AB whole bar. Because the expression is y equal to AB whole bar, the possible input combinations, and applying this expression we are getting such kind of output. There are 4 possible combinations because the input are 2. 2 inputs are there. So 2 to power 2 equal to 4. 4 possible combinations, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. If you see, it is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, these values are 0, 1, 2 and 3. And the output we are getting is for 0, 0 it is 1, for 0, 1 it is 1, for 1, 0 it is 1, and for 1, 1 it is 0. How this output is achieving? Just put the values in this expression A into B whole bar. So 0 into 0 is 0 with complemented form, 0 complement equal to 1, that's why it is written 1. So this is the case how the NAND output is achieved. Now as I have told you earlier also that NAND is a universal logic gate. Means any basic gate can be derived. So we will see how AND gate, how NOT gate and how OR gate can be derived using NAND logic gate. So this is the thing. When same input is given, it will work as a NOT gate. When again NAND plus NAND equal to AND, when our input is not, 2 NOT gates are there and then we are taking NAND, it becomes a OR gate. Let's understand this concept in detail. Okay. So first of all, I'm written over here NAND as a. Now we have to prove it that NAND gate acts as a universal logic gate because AND or NOT are capable enough to implement any digital system. That's why they are known as basic logic gates. So if we can convert or we can show that NAND and NOR to these 3, then we can say that any other logic circuit can be implemented by NAND and NOR. Because if we are capable to convert the NAND gate in AND or NOT, it means that any other logic gates can also be converted or can also be implemented using NAND gate, which proves that it is a universal logic gate. So we have to show NAND gate as a NOT gate. First thing is NAND as NOT. Second is as AND. So if we successfully convert or show NAND as a NOT gate or NAND as a AND gate and NAND as a OR gate, then it is proved that it is a universal logic gate. Let's start with the first thing, that is NAND as a NOT gate. So I am starting with the first thing, that is a NAND as a NOT gate. Y equal to A B whole bar. This is the expression of a NAND gate. And what will be the output if I take the both input as a similar value? Means if I take, instead of A and B, if I am taking two inputs as A and A. See, it is A, it is second number is also same, A and A. And I am taking a NAND of A and A. Then Boolean law say A into A is A. So it is A bar. And A bar is the NOT gate. Again understand the thing. NAND gate means this is the NAND gate. In NAND gate, what was happening? This is the one input A. This is second input B. And when I am taking the expression, it is first input into second input whole bar. And I am taking a case when the instead of B, if second input is also same A, then what will happen? Then A into A whole bar. And Boolean algebra law says that A into A equal to A. So it becomes A bar. It means that when I take the both values same, then it will act as a NOT gate. Means if I am taking A, because NOT gate says A, if A is the input, A bar is the output. Same thing I am getting over here. So if I can show that the both inputs to a NAND gate is same, then it will act as a NOT gate. It is A, or you can simply write it over as A, then it will be a A bar. So this is how I can convert a NAND gate into NOT gate. Now after this I am starting with NAND gate as AND gate. Now as a NAND, now I am starting NAND as AND. Now let's see what will happen over here. So for example, this is two inputs A and B, and I am giving it as a NAND gate. Okay, and if I put a NOT gate ahead of this thing, I am getting a AND gate. This is the concept. Concept says that whenever a complement is put ahead of a NAND gate, it will act as a AND gate, or you can say opposite wise also. For example, it is a AND gate, and if I put the inverter ahead of it, it becomes a NAND gate. So a simple thing is there that NAND plus NOT is equal to AND. It means that let's take a NAND gate, then put a NOT gate, and if you remember, NOT gate is when the both inputs are same. So I am putting just like this thing. So it is A, B, it is AB whole bar, AB whole bar, because it is a NAND gate. And when one more NOT gate is there, means one more complement form is there, it will become A, B bar, one more bar is there. Why one more bar is there? Because it is acting as a NOT gate. And NOT gate means whatsoever the input is there, just put a complement over there. So AB double bar. And Boolean law says A double bar is equal to A. So AB double bar will become AB, which is a AND gate. Just go through this once, then I will move forward to the NAND gate as a OR gate. Okay, so what we did, NAND gate as a AND gate is when NAND gate is AND plus NOT. So whatever I have done is simply I have taken a NAND gate AB, and after that for NOT gate I have put the same thing ahead of this one. So it becomes double bar and A double bar equal to A. In such a manner it is equal to the AND gate. Okay. Now we will start with NAND gate as a OR gate. Okay, let's start with NAND gate as a OR gate. Before starting NAND gate as a OR gate, just understand this thing that NAND says A dot B whole bar, and when I put a De Morgan's theorem over it, it will become A bar plus B bar, because De Morgan law says xy whole bar equal to x bar plus y bar. Similarly, it becomes A bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar, and if I will able to convert A bar as A and B bar as B, it will become a OR gate. Means I have to take input in such a manner that it is equal to the A plus B, because OR gate is A plus B. Now I will convert A bar as A and B bar as B, because basically I come to know that what is the operation behind this thing. Operation behind this thing is simple De Morgan's theorem by putting a NOT gate also. So let's take a input and make it A bar. Then take second input as B, okay. So if it is A and if it is B, it will become A bar and it will become B bar. Now put a NAND gate of these two numbers. Okay, now NAND gate of these two numbers is, it is A bar into, it is B bar, okay, and it is bar, because NAND gate says first input into second input the whole bar. Okay, so when I open this using De Morgan's law, it will become A plus B. If I say xy whole bar is equal to x bar plus y bar, here x is A bar, so A double bar plus B double bar. A double bar equal to A and B double bar equal to B. So that's why it becomes A bar plus B bar. Sorry, A plus B. Let's take the concept again and explain the same concept again. See, we want to prove that NAND gate is acting as a OR gate. Okay, to prove it, we have to first analyze which concept can work to make it as NAND as OR. So we saw that whenever I will open the bracket using De Morgan's law, it will act as a OR gate with a complemented nature. So what I did, I have started with the thing A and B and find out the complemented form A bar B bar. Okay, after taking A bar B bar, when I take the NAND gate of A bar and B bar, it is A bar into B bar whole bar, which is equal to A bar E double bar plus B double bar, because it is x into y whole bar is equal to x bar plus y bar. De Morgan's theorem. Same I have implemented over here. So it becomes A plus B. When I say A plus B, it means it is a OR logic gate. That is what I need to prove, that NAND gate is acting as a OR gate. So till this point we have proved that NAND gate can act as AND gate, NAND gate can act as NOT gate, and NAND gate is acting as OR gate. Because NAND gate is capable of acting as a AND or NOT, that's why it is known as universal logic gate. Now apart from the universal logic gates, let's see how the remaining gates can be drawn using NAND gate only. Now I am starting with NAND as NOR logic gate, because just like your NAND gate, NOR gate is also a universal logic gate. Now we will see how it will act as a NOR logic gate. Let's take two NAND gates that will act as an inverter. If you see, it is A, if I take it is A and it is B. If you remember, this circuit is a circuit of NAND gate as OR gate. Till this point, it is a circuit of NAND gate using NAND gate as OR gate. But now I have to prove that NAND gate as NOR gate, so it can be done by putting one more NOT gate ahead of this thing. And NOT gate is nothing, just put a same value NAND gate to the output side. Okay, so if I put this thing, it will become the, now this thing is a NOR gate, because NOR gate is OR plus NOT, and till this point it is a OR gate. I have proved it just 2 minutes before, but now if I put a NOT gate ahead of this thing, it will become the NOR gate. See, it is A bar, it is B bar, A bar, B bar, whole bar is A plus B. If you take one more complement over here, so A plus B complement is known as NOR gate. Okay, total how many NAND gates has been used here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So for NOR gate we are using 4 NAND gates. Okay, so for NOT gate we were using 2 NAND gates, and for our OR gate we were using 3 NAND gates, and for our NOR gates we were using 1, 2, 3, 4 NAND gates. Now the next part is we have to prove it NAND gate as a XOR gate. Now NAND gate as XOR gate. XOR gate is exclusive OR gate, which expression is Y equal to A bar B plus AB bar. If I am having two inputs A and B, XOR will be A bar B plus AB bar. Now you have to prove this A bar B plus AB bar using NAND gate only. Now it is a little bit challenging task. Now see what will happen over here. Here we want A bar B bar, means two NOT gates will be there. Means two NOT gates are there. Then we want two AND gates and one OR gate. Two AND gates and one OR gates. Okay, so two NAND gates for this NOT gate, two, okay, we want AND gate also, we want OR gate also, three for your OR gates, and four NAND gates are required for two AND gates. So let's start with all such fundamental things. I am taking a NOT gate of A. Why? Because I want A bar also. Okay. Then I am taking NOT gate of B. Why? Because I require a B bar also. Okay. So it is B. That was A. That is B. This is for the NOT gate. That's why two NAND gates are there for NOT gate. Now we want A bar into B. Now this A bar into B. And A into B bar. Okay. Now because it is now AND gate, then we have to put one more complement over here to prove it as a AND gate, because till this point it is an AND gate. We have to prove it as a AND gate and put one more complemented form over here. So it will become one more complemented form here and one more complement here, NOT gate. So here we are getting it is A bar, here it is A bar B bar, here it is A bar B whole bar. Then because a NOT gate over here, so it becomes A bar B, and it is A B bar double bar. So when one more in complement over here, so it becomes A B bar. Okay.